spot ETF outflow streak leaves BTC below $64,000. Bitcoin ETFs post $900 million in net outflows this week. Standard Chartered is building a spot BTC ETF trading desk. Canada's 3iQ files to list Solana ETP in Toronto. Winklevoss twins say they each gave $1 million to Trump presidential campaign. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bitcoin, the market's bellwether, has had a challenging week. Trading dipped below $65,000 for the second time in 3 days, a notable drop from its monthly high of $71,331 on June 5. While this downward trend has erased about 4% of Bitcoin's value in the past 7 days, despite a robust annual performance showing over 100% gains year over year. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global crypto market is performing today.
3 versus IC15 index, the barometer of top 15 coins, was trading at 81,233 points, down by 3.17%. Bitcoin, the market's bellwether, has had a challenging week. Trading dipped below $65,000 for the second time in 3 days, a notable drop from its monthly high of $71,331 on June 5th. This downward trend has erased about 4% of Bitcoin's value in the past 7 days, despite a robust annual performance showing over 100% gains year over year. Several factors have contributed to Bitcoin's recent struggles. Bitcoin miners, under increasing operational pressure, have been liquidating their holdings. Data shows a surge in sales from older wallets primarily owned by miners. These sell-offs come as the miners face rising costs and the need to upgrade outdated equipment or shut down operations altogether. The German government has been moving significant amounts of Bitcoin. According to Arkham Intelligence, around $600 million worth of BTC was shifted, with $195 million reportedly sent to exchange deposits, indicating potential selling pressure. Despite these movements, Germany still holds over $3 billion in Bitcoin. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds continue to witness substantial outflows, with recent withdrawals totaling around $140 million. This liquidity exodus is adding to the downward pressure on Bitcoin's price. The decline in Bitcoin mirrors a broader dip in US tech stocks, including giants like Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft. This correlation underscores how traditional markets and the crypto sector are increasingly interlinked. This week, cryptocurrencies linked to artificial intelligence and big data have outperformed, driven by Nvidia's recent triumph as the world's most valuable company on June 18th. Tokens like HashAI, Turbo, and OXO.ai have seen rallies, and market analysts believe they may continue this momentum if demand stays robust. Ethereum has shown resilience, trading consistently above the critical support level of $3,500. The network experienced a notable event with the launch of the Layer 0 token on June 20th, which spiked fees on the Arbitrum blockchain, resulting in a record $3.43 million in daily revenues, a whopping 16,680% increase from the previous day. Despite the current bearish sentiment, there are silver linings. Institutional players like MicroStrategy are taking advantage of the dip to accumulate more Bitcoin, signaling strong long-term confidence in the asset. Additionally, potential interest rate cuts by various countries to stimulate their economies could create a more favorable environment for cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was trading at $63,686, down 3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.8%, trading at $3,500. BNB was down by 3% to trade at $585. Cardano's 88 token was down by 2% to trade at $0.33. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $27, lower 2.7%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.7% to trade at $0.57. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.7% at $0.12. Shiba Inu was trading down by 4%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.49, up by 1%. However, Solana SOL was down 0.4% and was trading at $132. Polkadot was down by 4% to trade at $5.6.
Thanks, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of global crypto market. And now back to the headlines. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds listed in the US recorded their fifth straight day of outflows on Thursday, losing over $900 million so far this week. Data tracked by Sozo Value shows that the 11 listed ETFs lost $140 million on Thursday, with $1.1 billion in trading volume. Now, Grayscale's GBTC, which has mostly seen outflows since its conversion to an ETF in Jan, led outflows at $53 million, followed by Fidelity's FBTC at $51 million. BlackRock's IBIT, the biggest ETF by assets held, was the only product that recorded net inflows at $1 million. Other products saw zero net inflow or outflow activity. BTC prices have generally suffered in the past few weeks amid $1 billion in sales from large holders, dollar strength, and a strong US technology index market. Standard Chartered is establishing a spot trading desk for buying and selling Bitcoin and Ether, Bloomberg reported on Friday. The new London-based desk will start operations soon and the part of the bank's FX trading unit, the trading citing people familiar with the matter. StanC would become one of the first global banks to enter crypto trading through others and have been trading crypto derivatives for several years. The banking giant's involvement in crypto is now well established as a backer of digital asset custodian Zodia Custody and its exchange arm Zodia Markets. 3iQ announced today that it has filed a prospectus with the Ontario Securities Commission to launch North America's first publicly traded Solana exchange-traded product on Toronto Stock Exchange. The fund, called the Solana Fund, will trade under the ticker QSOL if approved by the OSC. In addition to offering exposure to the price movements of SOL, it will also offer exposure to staking yield generated by the network. 3iQ was one of the first fund managers to list a Bitcoin fund with its Bitcoin fund on the TSX and the first to launch a publicly listed Ether fund also in Toronto. The price of SOL remained modestly lower with the past 24 hours following the news, according to data from CoinDesk Indices. Gemini CEO Tyler and his twin brother Cameron Winklevoss, the company's president, have made two of the first major presidential contributions from prominent crypto executives, favoring former President Donald Trump with $1 million each in support. Gemini was targeted last year in a US SEC case that accused the exchange of offering unregistered securities, which Tyler Winklevoss called at the time a manufactured parking ticket. His explanation for supporting Trump was much more about opposing Biden. The bulk of their donations, however, have been to the industry's main political action committee, Fairshake. The combined $5 million represents a small but significant share of the Fairshake Super PAC contributions that have now almost reached $169 million. That money has been devoted to buying outside ads for congressional candidates in the hope of flooding Congress with crypto supporters. And now let's go to Shikhar Singh to get an update on buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First in the list, we have Injective. Injective, a blockchain platform for decentralized finance apps, has partnered with Deka, a top game builder platform, to launch its next phase of development in Web3 gaming. Game creators will be able to design and publish games on Injective using Deka's platform, marking a new era of GameFi. The partnership aims to improve ease of use, financial inclusion, and artificial intelligence. Injective's community will benefit from the partnership through initiatives like giveaways, events for community leaders, tournaments, and the inclusion of Injective games on Deka's platform. Deka has also announced its Great Benediction program to celebrate the integration. Next on the list, we have Tether. The National Tapai University of Technology, also known as NTUT, has announced a new partnership with the crypto firm Tether to enhance its blockchain and digital asset education. The collaboration aims to equip students with comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in the technology, as well as foster an understanding of cryptocurrencies and digital assets like Bitcoin and stablecoins. The program Blockchain and Digital Asset will initially launched on NTUT's College of Management and quickly became one of the most popular offerings in the Information and Finance department. Tether and NTUT aim to provide students with the ability to independently analyze and assess the validity of information regarding cryptocurrencies, helping them identify scams and understand potential risks. Next on the list, we have Stellar. Stellar, the token that powers the peer-to-peer decentralized network XLM, has experienced a 15% decline in the past 30 days. This decline is attributed to a decrease in trading activity in the spot market, which has also seen a decrease in its daily trading volume. Currently, the trading volume in Stellar's derivatives market is $31.04 million, which has dropped by 52% in the past 24 hours. Since the token's derivatives trading volume reached a year-to-date high of $78.18 million on March 12, it has fallen by 60%. XLM's trading volume is also at its lowest level since May 1st. This decline may be due to traders losing interest in speculating on the asset's price movements, leading to a wait-and-see approach. Next on the list, we have Fuse. Fuse Network, a Web3 business and finance platform, has launched a second airdrop campaign with 2.5 million Fuse tokens as rewards. The campaign, which began on June 17, features innovative engagement methods and partnerships with organizations like Meridian, LogX, Miracle, Lynx Finance, Good Dollar, and Demented Games. Fuse Network collaborates with Layer 3, a blockchain platform focused on user engagement and reward participation to offer more incentives. Participants can also earn points by following Fuse on social media, referring friends, providing liquidity, staking Fuse and Vault on DEX pools, maintaining a wallet for over a year and more. Next on the list, we have Arbitrum. Layer 0's token launch on June 20th caused a significant increase in fees on Arbitrum, leading to a record of $3.43 million daily revenue for the blockchain. However, the token's obligatory donation mechanism, which requires claimants to donate a small amount per token to claim their allocation, triggered criticism. This led to an increase in the average gas fees on the Arbitrum blockchain, which reached 89 cents, up from its typical less than 1 cent fee. Arbitrum's biggest revenue day since earning $2.13 million on December 14th, the day before it went offline due to a surge of inscriptions on the network. Inscriptions are expensive due to their size, which also affects Arbitrum, which made a profit of $14,000 on December 14th due to steeper fees to post and verify the expensive inscription data on Ethereum.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.